Hey everyone, real quick, this is a compilation of some things we went through on the car today. A lot of my thoughts were jumbled. Long story short, we're still sort of in a holding pattern. I did get the car to blow some cool air instead of blasting us with full heat, but stay tuned for part 2. At the end of the video, you'll see I'll tell you how it came out. The part is on back order. And it's supposedly arriving in Fontana, California sometime at the end of this week. So, hope all is well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, subscribing. Take care. Bye-bye. Alright, forgive me for the cramped audio, or the video, whatever, but you see that white thing right there? And you see that lever right there? Well, this is hot, and this is cold. Hot, cold, hot, cold. Right? Well, good morning, everyone. Another fine morning that I'm spending out here with our car. Seems that this time it doesn't want to give any cold air or warm air to the passenger side, which really doesn't surprise me, given, of course, that is fucking awesome. That broke off. That is fan-damn-tastic. So, bear with me 1 second, folks. So, forgive me for that right there is what we're after. I don't know. Let's see. Can I do anything with you guys? Hold on. Alright, so let's see if we even... Oh, don't tell me. What the hell did I do? Did I bring the socket? What the hell? Oh, God. Oh, there it is. And that is not 10 millimeter. Damn it. Okay, so we found out that it's an 8 millimeter and not a 10. One more interruption, probably one more of many, so get comfortable. Alright, well, I'm back, and didn't really accomplish a whole lot of anything. You know what's amazing? It's like tape measures. I bet over the period of my life since I've been not even on the bolt. Oh, what the hell. Since I have been an adult, well, age-wise, sometimes, what the hell? Some people would argue. Alright. Where did it go?
Wait a minute, can I come up from the bottom on this thing? I had this whole car torn apart before. You'd think that I forgot what the hell. Anyway, it's like tape measures is what I'm trying to say. You buy, or like a Lego piece. You know, when you're looking to build something, you move that one little flat pain in the ass more than once. Then when you need it, you don't see it. Ah, there's one. How many more do I have? Of course. Why would I think there would be less than this? Well, hold on. Well, I can't believe that I did that. I had some excellent commentary, but for right now, that screw right there, or bolt, that thing right there, and then there's another one way down behind it, is what I'm after. But I had some absolutely stellar things to say and share with you guys. And I didn't have the thing recording. It's like the story of my life. A day late and $1 short. Anyway, where in the hell is that other one at? So how are things going with you guys? I probably asked that question now probably 3 times. For me and my wife, we're doing pretty good. We're still breathing, I guess, in a way. That's always a plus. Love the way the light shines right back at you until you need it. Can I hold it there? Can you fit? Why? I gotta hand it to some of these other people that make these YouTube videos that, you know, they always have the proper lighting and they've got, you know, that are their contortionists. Why can I not get my hand back in there to get that last bolt? Why? Tell me why. Oh, hold on, folks. All right, so I can't believe that you guys missed my commentary. Damn it, I forget what it was awesome is what it was. But I can't, well, maybe not awesome, but, because I can't remember what the hell I said, but I'm sure it was great. But back to my, see right here, if I could just set the damn thing right, oh my God. Oh, there is a piece of metal in this car. Thank God. Bless your heart. Thank you for being there. Now I can't get my hand in there. What the hell? Anyway, these videos, they show these things being done. I'm coming to the conclusion that they do it rehearsed, because the ones I've watched show that they're replacing that one over there. Dear God, I hope I don't have to do that. But over here, they always refer to this side. Like, well, it's the same one over here, but we're going to do this one over here. And I'm wondering if it's the reason why. Because that bolt, you know it's an inanimate object, but it still looks at you like it's just flipping you off, like, you know, screw you. I know you've only got 1 day off this week, and you guys are wanting to go and do something, but screw you. I'm more important. The guy said that I would need, and that was my fault. I made the mistake. I got a 10mm instead of an 8, so that was my bad. But just an 8mm socket or a nut driver, and you'll be out. Well, I've got a 3/8 stubby ratchet with a 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter. I've got this breaker, 1/4 inch breaker bar type thing. I've got a 1/4 inch ratchet with an extension. Oh, and I've got the nut driver, and I cannot get that last bolt out. Why won't it come out? God, why won't it come out? But anyway, what I was wanting to talk about or mention Well, I'm trying, yeah, my big hand is now blocking every bit of light that I had. Damn it. You know what? To hell with the light. I can't see anything anyway. It's almost like I am not meant to do this. But I had some very poignant things to say too. I mean, like cutting edge stuff that years after I'm gone, I don't believe this. God, I don't believe this. What the hell happened to the button, man? That people would be talking about it. Probably be talking about this video and like, God. But I was wanting to talk about what? Now I'm trying to get. I'm trying to make a video and show. Oh my God! I think it's gonna come out. Holy shit! Oh fuck! Excuse my language. Where did that screw go? Son of a bitch! Where'd it go? Oh, Mama, where'd you go? Oh God, where did it go? Ah! Oh, there the thing is. Clear back. You know what? Nobody is going to believe me unless I show it to you. So let me show you where that screw landed back. See it right there? See it right in there? I'm going to be able to show with the light. Where's that piece of metal I need? Right there. Thing bounced out. I cannot believe this. Unbelievable. Alright, so I've got it back in. And before I tighten the thing on, if you watch that white, it's supposed to flip up and then push down. And then it's supposed to come back around and go up. And then this this thing goes over that, and then that motor mounts to this. So we'll see. Don't mean to change this so abruptly, but just got back from the whatever it is, the dealership, where the part is, my God, this is dirty. We need to clean this, dust it off a little bit. But anyway, the part is on order. The, whatever it is, the Bblllleeennddddd Door actuators are coming out of Fontana, California, and should be here Tuesday or Wednesday of next week, unless they wanted to pay $45 to expedite them. I'm like, you know what? I think I can wait. I got the this side over here, the passenger side fixed. Passenger side fixed where I'm not being roasted with hot air, and then this side, the driver's side, decided to take a dump. So, long story short, when we get the part in, I'll put together another video. However, with the way my work schedule is, only having basically one day off every 7 to 8 days is just ridiculous. At least we got the car where it can be utilized to some extent. And I realize for people watching this in other parts of the country and the world that have already experienced snow, me worrying about having the air conditioner continuing to work is not rubbing it in anywhere. I'm not trying to be facetious or a smart ass, but it's still into the 70s here in Arizona. So anyway, guys, thank you for bearing with us, and hopefully I'll get together. I've got some other videos I've got to finish up. Anyway, the road to hell is always paved with good intentions. Take care, people. Hopefully 2023 will be great, and the end of 22 will be fantastic. Stay safe, stay well, stay strong. Gab at you later. Bye.
So as I mentioned earlier in the video, the parts that I really had a lot of things to say and some incredible thoughts to share with you that were very poignant and cutting edge. The camera, I didn't have it recording, so I'm not going to make excuses. It was operator error. And I didn't get to show you the actuator is what's clicking on the inside. The stops are broke, so it doesn't know when to stop turning. And when that new one comes in, we will replace the one that's defective, obviously. And during that time, I will show you what is the cause of all of this. So thank you and enjoy yourselves. And thank you for watching. Bye.